Buying a used car shouldn't feel like playing roulette with your savings. So in this video, we're breaking down the top 3 most reliable used sedans that you can actually count on. Stick around till the end because we'll reveal which one delivers the perfect mix of long-term reliability, low repair costs, and everyday driving fun. And yes, we'll make good on that promise by naming the ultimate winner. According to the American Automobile Association, also known as AAA, unexpected car repairs cost drivers in the United States an average of more than $1,000 every single year. That's a lot of money you can be spending on literally anything else. The truth is, not every used sedan ages gracefully. Some develop transmission problems, others burn oil, and a few simply fall apart once the odometer crosses 200,000 miles. So which ones have actually stood the test of time? Number 3. The Lexus ES. Model years 2013 to 2018. If you want luxury without the fear of high maintenance, this one's for you. According to RepairPal.com, the Lexus ES scores 4.5 out of 5 stars. For reliability, one of the highest ratings among mid-size luxury sedans. Owners report very few serious issues, mostly minor infotainment glitches, and the occasional suspension air leak. Average annual maintenance, around $450 fuel economy, 21 miles per gallon in the city, 30 on the highway. And these cars often cruise well past 200,000 miles. It's refined, comfortable, and built like a tank. Number 2. The Toyota Camry. Model years 2013 to 2020. This one's the definition of dependable. The Toyota Camry consistently earns 4.5 out of 5 stars on RepairPal, with an average annual repair cost of just $388. The only recurring issues: a little transmission hesitation in the early 2013 and 2014 models, plus minor water pump leaks after about 100,000 miles. Otherwise, it's bulletproof. It averages 25 miles per gallon in the city, 35 on the highway while easily clearing 200,000 miles of reliable driving. Edmunds.com describes it as balanced ride and unmatched reliability. And owners agree, it just keeps going. Number 1. The Honda Accord. Model years 2013 to 2020. Here's the sedan that blends reliability with excitement. The Honda Accord ranks first among mid-sized cars on RepairPal, with an annual repair cost of about $400. Yes, early 2013 to 2015 models had a rare transmission shudder, and some 2016 to 2017 versions had door lock issues. But those are tiny hiccups in an otherwise legendary track record. Fuel economy: 27 miles per gallon in the city, 36 on the highway. Owners regularly see these cars running beyond 250,000 miles with minimal engine trouble. Car and Driver calls it engaging drive and bulletproof reliability. And honestly, that says it all. So, here's the bottom line. If you want affordable luxury and comfort, go for the Lexus ES. If you want simplicity and low costs, the Toyota Camry is your best bet. But if you want a car that feels solid, drives beautifully, and lasts forever, the Honda Accord takes the crown. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these sedans would you trust to take you past 200,000 miles? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, check out our next video on the most reliable budget SUVs under $25,000. Thanks for watching. And, as always, drive safe.